So 2 years ago, I made the decision to not return to a 9 to 5 job and work for someone else. And one of those reasons was because to date, my son has been racing since 2010 and I have never missed a race. Never. My husband and son are at Daytona right now helping a race team. And that means that racing season is coming up. And my son didn't have an opportunity to get in a race car last year, but this year is different. This month, he'll be back behind the wheel and I get to go to the race. And not only that race, but every race that I want to. Now, if I was working for somebody else, I would have to ask for permission to go. And chances are, I wouldn't be able to make it to every race. This is something that we as a family have put our hearts and souls into for so long that missing a race is just a non-negotiable. I know some of you might not understand the racing thing, and that's okay. Maybe yours is bat and ball sports or hockey or gymnastics. Whatever your kid is into, the last thing that you want to do as a parent is miss those times. You can't get them back. If this is something that you're struggling with, give me a follow and a like and reach out to me and I'll let you know what affiliate marketing is all about. I want to show you what I'm doing and see if it's the right fit for you. It could change your life. It's worth taking a moment to find out, isn't it?